To remove a DIMM, remove the top cover. Turn off the server and peripheral devices and disconnect the power cords and all external cables. Loosen the 2 thumb screws that secure the cover to the chassis. Press on the 2 blue grip points and slide the cover toward the rear approximately 1/2 inches. Lift the cover off the server and set it aside. Remove the air baffle. Grasp the top of the air baffle and lift the air baffle out of the server. Open the retaining clip on each end of the DIMM connector and lift the DIMM from the connector. Use the same procedure to remove any additional DIMMs if required.